Hello again, it's Noob, and if you watch my channel enough, then you know that I really like to collect and look out for padlocks with tubular lock cores. Tubular locks aren't particularly special, but padlocks with tubular lock cores, quite rare even today. I think they were slightly more popular sort of mid-century, but yeah, this is an example of a tubular lock padlock, and I really like it. I found this on eBay in the US, and I don't normally buy from the US because the shipping is expensive, but you know, needs must, and this is an absolute beauty. Not much more to say about it other than it's got a little raised hardened steel ball bearing. If my fingernail looks yellow, don't worry, I'm not diseased. I cooked a fantastic pumpkin curry with a lot of turmeric and it stained my fingers yellow, but you know, needs must. And yeah, we need a turning tool which can bridge that little ball bearing. It's an anti-drill feature. So I have just the thing, and that should mean that we can center tension and not be bothered by that inner ball bearing. So we're in the vise. Here is the key with its, I'd say, quite good bitting. It's got lots of highs, lots of lows, everything in between. Not bad for a 7-pinner. All works fine. Lock that back up. And we'll put our turning tool in. Try and put a little bit more light on the face of the lock. So I'm more turning with the finger and supporting with the thumb. And we'll try pin 1 binding, give it press. Pin 2's binding, give it a little press. Let's try pin 3 binding, a little press. It's quite heavily bound, lighten up the tension. 2's popped up, let's try that one again. Nothing on 4. Oh, bit of a core turn. 5 now, that felt good. Nothing on 6. 7, little click. Pin 1, little movement. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5, nothing. 6, nothing. 7. So what can happen here is we might either overset something or not fully set something, and I'm just going to go around and just do sort of a little tapping motion on the tops of the pins. So if they're underset, hopefully we'll encourage an actual full set. Oh, I just turned back a little bit too much there, but that's okay. We can pick our way back through the lock. That's it. We'll keep going around. Pin 1's binding now. Pin 2 there. 3, and yet we got our first position. Okay, so now we just have to repeat that. I may speed up the video because it's not maybe the most gripping. Are we there yet? I don't think we are, but we're getting so close. 1, oh, yep. And we got the open, look at that. Phew. Trickier than I thought, but still super good fun. Apart from, now I've got to pick the whole lock back to lock it back up, because I don't have a spare key to file off the little nose for, and that means I can't just put the key in and turn it back, so that's going to be a little bit of a pain. And yes, I have tried my impressioning tools, but they're just too thick, and I don't have a Peterson 1 tool because they're too expensive. So I will have to do a manual pick backwards after this video finishes, which is now. So if you did enjoy that video, then please leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. You can always smash that notification bell to be notified next time I upload content. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all, as always. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.